big girl. Ranges.
we let the homeowner know, hey, look, we can't put that range in because we don't have a plug on it. So he said, I got you. I got my electrician right here. I'm glad y'all told me. Not a problem. We won the other house, so give them time to put it on. We go over there. We ready to move it in, everything. And big girl laying in the floor. Man, like she down there napping, dog. Me and AJ look at each other like, hey, we ready to put this range in for you. He said, give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. She steady working. 5 minutes later, she said, okay, I got it. Hey, she go to get up, man. She. And she ain't got up yet. She still ain't got up.
Still was down there, dude. Oh,
She
shit.
still was down on the floor after all that noise.
That was her putting her hands in position to get ready to push up, dog. She ain't moved yet. We looked at each other like, man, we gonna help this lady up? What? Finally, she gets to her knees. It sounds like somebody out there breaking chicken bones. Or cracking. She's still going.
Oh, shit.
Now she done made it to her knees. She on all fours.
Damn, she ain't even rose up
She
yet.
ain't rose up yet,
Rose
dog.
up,
And
girl.
this ain't no lie. She ain't rose up yet.
No bullshit.
Then she takes her arm and leans on the cabinet to pull herself up.
Oh, shit.
I said, oh shit, she gonna knock that whole cabinet down, dog.
She about
This-
got stuck.
She about got stuck. AJ's like, you got it? AJ's like, I hope I don't get like that when I get old. Shit. This lady just stood up. I thought she ran 100 miles, dude. She breathing hard as shit. And she put the cord in there wrong. We couldn't even put the damn range
You
in.
put the range cord, you know, it stick out like, you feel me?
Yeah.
You put the damn plug too close to the wall, cuz.
Damn, she did all that for nothing.
All that.
But nothing, dude.
And that's the electrician.
That's the electrician.
Electrician, cuz.
And I couldn't imagine what that mechanic looked like.
I said, I got some homeboys, you know what I mean? They look ghetto, but they can do better than what she doing. Yeah.
Boy, she looked like she had an all-night hangover and smoked fentanyl for a living.
Yes.
Bruh, that ain't no lie. She had a hoodie on over her head and a scarf on. You couldn't see nothing but her eyes and her chin and shit.
Yes. I thought one of her tooth was in her nose.
Oh, shit.
Oh my God.
Y'all letting her do some electricity in y'all crib?
Hell no.
No. The fuck? I ain't let that bitch walk my block.
She come in there and put your motherfucking ceiling fan up. The motherfucking lights are spinning and the damn fans will stay still. Shit.
Oh, shit.
I don't know what she doing.
Oh shit, man.
But AJ, what about this egg you got the other day?
Man. So, you know, y'all remember when we went to the homeowners, you know what I'm saying? They gave us them real chickens.
Yeah,
The real
good
The
eggs.
real eggs.
Good
You
boy
feel me?
eggs.
'Cause the real boys.
Bitches was sprinkled and shining in the damn dark and shit.
Cause I ain't never seen eggs with like different colors and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
I was always raised all white.
white eggs.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So they gotta do something to them motherfuckers cause they don't even come out like that. You feel me? So shit, we get home. I'm like, babe, I got these carton of eggs. She like, where'd you get them from and how much did you spend? Cause you know you don't know how to shop. I said, damn, listen. let me talk first. Damn, I ain't even get them from no store. Where you get the eggs from, boo? You don't say no bullshit. She She always thinking I'm playing and shit. I'm like, dude, we was really at a homeowner's house, and they had about 12 to 15 chickens that was laying eggs. You feel me? So I'm like, I got a dozen, Bird got a dozen, and J Money got a dozen. You feel me?
Yeah.
So boom. So before I even put them in the fridge, I'm looking at them hoes.
You ain't never seen no shit
I
like
ain't
that.
never seen nothing like this, dude. I'm like,
You over there
damn.
inspecting the egg and shit.
And that was kind of big, a little bit like swole up. You feel me? I'm like, nah, I don't know if he's real. I swear, I don't know if he's real. So you know, what black people do to everything they get, smell it.
Hell yeah.
You feel me?
Smell
You
that
know what I'm saying? So I got to smelling them hoes. I'm like, damn, they smell normal. You feel me? I'm like, nah, I put them bitches in the refrigerator. I ain't, maybe they need a little bit more cooling or something. You know what I'm saying? So shit. Fuck around, waited till wife got home. She got home, you know what I'm saying? That was the first thing, shit. Before she even walked in the door, I went and grabbed the eggs, put them behind my back and shit. That's some goofy ass shit, you feel me? I said, surprise! She said, boy, get out of my way, I gotta pee. I'm like, damn. So boom. Came back, I opened the eggs, I let her look at them. You know what I'm saying? She looking at the eggs looking at her. So shit, she like, oh, these do look real. I'm like, well, why? Because we pulled out the other ones too, like from the store. Them bitches all white. I'm like, babe, why are they all white like this? And she was like, I guess probably because they fresh from the chicken butt. I'm like, damn, okay. So I'm like, man, fuck it, man. I'm finna try these hoes. Cause Bird and them said they done had them before and they better than the real eggs.
Man,
I'm like,
fun.
nah, I can't. I'm like, nah, it can't be. You feel me? Cause I'm an egg man and I know eggs. You feel me? I know eggs. So shit. Set them bitches on the counter. I grab one. You feel me? Crack that hoe. You know, everybody crack it on the pan. I do. The corner. You feel me? Hit the corner of the pan. Crack. Boom. Open that bitch. I said, God damn. So that shit was just like floating, but it was like bigger. You feel me?
Yeah.
I seen a motherfucker rise up. I said, what the fuck? Dude, that motherfucker rose up. I'm looking at the chicken looking at me. You know, I got my butter and shit all in the pan because I don't use grease, you feel me? I use butter. Man, that motherfucker got to looking at me, I'm looking at him. That motherfucker start doing the Macarena in that bitch. Talking about it's too hot. I said, man, what the fuck kind of chickens is these, man? These motherfuckers. I grabbed the spatula and started hitting them at the top of the head, smacking them in the beak and shit. Bitch, get down, nigga. I'm finna eat your ass right now. I'm finna eat your ass today. I said, man, I knew something was wrong with them eggs, cuz. I knew something was wrong with them eggs, cuz. That shit wasn't normal, cuz. Them bitches wasn't all the way, what you call it?
Incubated or what?
A something, cuz.
You having me crying.
Hey, man, goodness. Goddamn, woke up the next morning, man. I had to tell the fellas, man. About the goddamn eggs we got from a homeowner.
He said that motherfucker rose up.
Motherfucker rose up, cuz like I was on his turf. Man, bitch, you in my pan. You better lay down, nigga, and take this shit like a real chicken. What you think this is, cuz? I'm trying to go get the strap, cuz. I'm trying to let you die slow, motherfucker.
He said, I'm finna go get the strap, cuz. Oh, hell.
So you saying you got a pet at the house now?
Man, I hate that motherfucker. He eventually gave in, motherfucker.
Laid down flat.
He said, fuck it. He said, you got it, dog. He said, but this other one's in there. This other one's in there that you got cracked, so be aware.
Uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
Don't get the coffee.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
We got content for days, man.
Oh, shit.
Use the right lane to take a slight right turn onto US 411 North.
That's the
In the keys, hey.
Oh,
Oh,
my Lord
shit, boy.
Jesus.
Man, not that chicken.
Man. That chicken, dog.
The moral of the story is
The moral of this story that I just told you, be aware of real edge, motherfucker. Might stick to the store bought.
In 1 mile, turn right onto Ballplay Road.
No.
oh shit. You had to know
No,
what
hit the exit. Better grab a mic.
Oh man. Oh shit. I'm proud, dog.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Stick to the stories, man.
Oh
Moral
shit.
of the story.
Oh man.
Don't take no real eggs.
Unless you ready to fight a chicken.
Exactly.
Unless you got some hands on you.
Hey,
Better have them
exactly,
thumbstick.
dude.
Better have them,
Oh, man.
better have them Javante Davises on you.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man.
Jason about to get hit too.
Hey man, don't ride the truck with this motherfucker, man.
Laugh so hard you gonna throw up. Woo. My man still struggling.
Oh, shit. I'm gonna turn on a little air, fellas.
Yeah, man.
Just a little bit.
Then overheated.
Whew.
Man,
Oh, man.
Before we overdose on laughter.
if you ain't ready to cry,
Man.
don't tune in.
Don't tune in.
Don't.
Don't
Do
tune in, cuz.